M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So we got the RT87 here, and I've watched a few videos and I cannot find a video that shows you how to program memory channels straight from the radio. I can program a channel, no problem. I can just go one. Actually, let's go to the A band with this one here. These two buttons are programmable. So on the A band, VFO and memory, that's memory. Hit the red button. VFO, we'll go 1, 4, 5, 600. Okay, that's my local repeater, and we can go into the menus. And if you go around the late 20s, you'll get you can add the shift, the tone, the shift, things like that. And you got you'd have your repeater in there. But the thing I couldn't do was store it using, on the radio. But watch this. If you push exit F, you have to do it a couple of times. Hold the exit F. It suddenly says store. Then you can go up and down, choose where you want it. So let's choose number 5, and then we'll click yes.
Enter.
All right, let's exit. Go back into memory mode, number 5.
4.
Now make a note, 145 600. Let's try a different one altogether, just so we know that it wasn't an accident, like so. So let's go 70 centimeter channel. So we'll go back to VFO, 433 300. Okay, completely different frequency. Then we're going to go red, then green. Hold the red, then green. And again. Store. You see that? It took a couple of goes. Store channel, 433 3000. And this time we're going to store it in number 10. And click yes.
Enter.
Then we'll go exit.
10.
That's memory, VFO, back to memory. We'll even go to the B band.
Revert.
We'll go to number 10.
1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 1, 10.
There it is. So you can actually store a memory channel. So let's put in a repeater for fun. We'll go VFO, 4. Let's go on the A band, it's easier. You can select dual watch on this as well. 4 3 0 9 2 5 0. Let's just get it tuned in nice. Now we're going to set the shift, so we'll go F. We'll go to 28, I think.
Priority code.
Let's go down up to. Let's go to transmit, number 30.
Shift. Code. Encode.
Encode. F.
Enter.
Then we can push star to turn it off and on. If you want it on, then go up and down with the arrows. 77 we need.
Enter.
Enter. So we've got the tone in there now. Now we need to do the shift. So we'll go F. See number 31? Shift direction.
Enter.
F.
Off. Minus.
We want a plus. Plus.
Enter.
So we got our shift in there. Now we need the shift frequency.
Off.
Oh, let's get save that. Plus.
Enter.
Exit. Now the shift frequency.
Encode. Decode. Code. Shift. Channel. Name.
Offset. There it is there.
Channel.
Offset is 27.
Shift.
Offset. We'll go F, and we actually want 7.600.
0.
So we'll hit the 0 first, then we'll go 7, 6, and all the noughts.
0. Enter.
Enter. Then we'll exit. So we've got the frequency, the shift, the tone. Did we select the 77 hertz tone? Let's have a look. There you go. Now, the next thing is let's try and get it into our memory. So we're in VFO mode now. You can change the power as well. If you go F menu, you can set the power. Pretty sure that was low down in the menu.
Shift. Up. Step. Band. CTDC. Scrambler. Scan. Priority. Box. Power.
Power. It's number 4.
Enter.
We'll leave it at high anyway.
Escape. Escape.
And just go menu again.
High. Escape. Escape. Menu. Box. Scan.
Let's just quickly go to CTCSS. I can't remember if I actually did put it in there.
Encode.
Yeah, I did. Tone, it's number 30. So exit. So next thing we want to do is do the whole memory thing. We're going to go exit then F. We're going to hold exit then F. We want to put it on number 11.
Menu.
Do that again.
Store.
Store. It says store. See that? I've got to try a couple of times. Hold exit, then push F, then let go. And we're going to store it on number 11. Yes.
Enter.
Exit.
11.
And look, on number 11.
10. 11.
And it stored everything. So if you've got an RT87, you can store memories on the radio using the radio. You don't have to use the software, which is a pain in the neck. I'm going to do another one. VFO. My dog's in the background. VFO pushing the exit. We're going to go 1, 4, 5, 6.
0. 0.
And then we're going to go to menu. Down.
Scramble. CT band.
They're all near the 30.
Shift. Encode.
Encode. That's my son Nico.
Enter.
Enter. We're going to go 94.8.
Enter.
That's it.
Enter.
Enter. Exit. Then we'll go to shift
Up.
direction.
Enter. Plus. Off. Plus. Minus.
Minus.
Enter. Escape.
And then we need the shift amount, don't we?
Encode.
We want it to be 600.
Shift.
There it is there. So it's menu. The offset is menu 27.
Enter. 0.
0, 6. All the zeros.
Enter.
Now, have we done everything now? Let's try it. M0FXB test. Perfect. That's GB3WR. Now, there is a way to name these memories, but I'm going to do that in a separate video. Okay, now let's just save that. So,
Menu.
do that again. Exit. Hold the ad.
Store.
Store. We'll do that to 12. So, went up one with the arrow.
Enter.
12. So now if we go through our channels,
2, 4, 10, 11, 10, 11,
12. How good is that? Let's see if we can get a contact. Mike 0, Fox X-Ray Bravo, calling for a contact. So that's it, and I'm playing around with this tablet today as well, which I think in the end, after a bit of configuration, worked okay. See if we can fire up the radio. The radio part of it is this PTT here, and it's on HubNet. We haven't actually tried GB3WR. Let me just put GB3WR into it. I know it's a bit blurry, right, that's a bit better. Let's put GB3WR into this. So we'll choose a channel turning this. One that's not been used, number 6, hold it down. It's a P2, a Rumbo P2 this is called. So we want an analog channel. We're going to call it WR. And we'll put the frequency in. Actually thinking about it, this is a 70 centimeter tablet, so we'll have to do a different one. We'll do 430.825. Which is ZB. Oh, we want the TX frequency, so let's delete it. 438.425. And the receive frequency, 430.825. That's it. I know that. And then the tone on TX is 77, I think. But on receive, we don't want that. We won't hear the repeater. And then we don't need any of that because that's all DMR stuff. Save. Now what do we call it? Just going to change that name to ZB. ZB. Okay. Get that in there and then we'll put the parameters in.